O yung si Ray sa Philippines ganda.
Kayo po yung sumay... Ay, wow. Nice.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi kaya ko pa, di bali na lang kaya. I would never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. Lover more precious than you, more precious than you. And girl, you are close to me, you're like my mother. Close to me, you're like my father. Close to me, you're like my sister. Close to me, you're like my brother. You are the only one, my everything. And for you, this song I sing. With all my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. And all my life, I pray for someone like you.
Galing,
And I
grabe.
hope that you feel the same way too. Bobo ka ba? Sabi mo lang bakit? Kasi ako yung bobo ng buhay.
Bakit?
Mas karapat dapat ka talaga para kay Aisha. Sana follow niyo po yung page namin ng Aita Brothers.
Happy anniversary sa inyo dalawa.
Hindi, walang anniversary.
Kapatid natin yan.
Nanalo sumayaw po kayo sa...
The Voice Generation.
Pinapanood ko yung
Wow.
video na, tapos dito, pinapanood ko sila.
Ay, kumanta. Yeah.
Thank you po ate.
Yan, this coming June 30 po, abangan niyo po yung performance namin sa mismong Malacanang po. Kasama po namin si Brennan Espartines, Garrett Bolin and The Clash, and King of Concert Martin Rivera po.
Wow.
Or sana po, abangan niyo po yun, 6:30 PM sa mismong Malacanang.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.